Bago kami tumuloy dun sa kakampinan namin, nag-stop muna kami para bumili lang kami ng light lunch lang. At si Dennis bumili siya ng aming lunch. Come on in.
You want the top one? Yes, it's gone. Here.
What's this?
I've got 2 lots of fish.
Two? Wow! Look, it's not hungry.
You can't see into the back of this until you go up close. Ah,
Is allowed in here to park in?
yeah, I spoke to the guy, he's not going to book me.
We are stopped over here in Dagaton before to going there in the Hypocrite to camping us. Oh, it's too big this. Is it small? Yan, nakarating na rin kami rito sa Hepa Creek. Yan, inaano ni Dennis yung motorhome namin. Nililabel niya. Mga ilang araw din kami rito. Tapos inaantay namin sila Shirley at saka si Tim. Where are you?
Out in the bush. Rough here.
At least it's quiet here and peaceful, no mahal?
Yeah.
No signal.
I had one before. I had a signal before. I was going to let Tim know we're here. He'll probably have a signal.
No, I don't have.
He might. I had a signal for a short time.
But this is the place I have many time to hear. You
Can't
look
find you. That's
like
bullshit up
Goldie.
there. $1,500.
20 hours.
Yeah, 20 hours or $1,500
Ano,
fine.
Max?
Well, when do they know when you've turned
I-
up?
That's right.
I come down that one. I never see that sign.
Nice.
Yeah, they say the sign on the blue.
Dennis is starting to fire the campfire. Come on, no? This is a dog. Oh, it's a beautiful dog. Max. Max.
You've got fire started in there, you could laugh.
Maki. It's so beautiful. It's starting to smoke. Oh, so nice. It's very nice. Smell the smoke. Oh, it's nice. The following day, Dennis and Tim is preparing for the fire again in the morning because Dennis he cooked the bacon. So yummy. Lakad-lakad ako ngayong umaga, ang lamig. Nandun yung dalawa nagluluto ng bacon at saka eggs. Breakfast namin. So it's nice. Tignan nyo yung aking likod. Daming puno. Kasi nasa gubat talaga kami. Wala nga rito signal talaga. Mga puno na yan, pag ano yata, pagkatapos yata ng winter, spring, ang gaganda ng mga bulaklak niyan. Ayan no, ang ganda ng mga bulaklak. Tapos may toilet doon yan, toilet yan. You put the butter?
Yeah, put that in too. Very good, the olive mix. You want to add this, babe?
Use it for the cooking, olive oil and olive butter is healthy.
Okay, and what's your... Hey,
The three koala, he eating breakfast. Talk before the three koala. Three koala. The three koala eating breakfast. Maglalaro kami. Tapos na kasi ako mag-breakfast.
says the voice.
Yeah, it's not that far. Oh, okay. The master's got to have a go now. Yeah. Okay. Oh, missed yours. I was trying for yours, aiming for yours. Nah,
Si Dennis, natapon ng aking tea, kaya kailangan ko ulit gumawa. Talaga naman. Nilagay ko lang dyan sa lapag. Ang kulit talaga nito. Hehe. Oy. Oh. Nag-prefer lang ako ng kaunting pagkain kasi 4 lang naman kami nila shared at saka si Tim. Naabutan kasi kami sa camping area ng anniversary namin ni Dennis ng June 15. Happy anniversary, my love.
Mud cakes.
thank you, yes.
Mud cake.
It's nice.
Mud cake.
But it's the Thailand airport is very nice. Very clean, yeah. Not very strict. You are not allowed to bring food.
Naku po, si Dennis, gigising lang yan. Halos mga 2 hours din siguro siya nag-sleep. Tapos ayan o, pagkabangon niya yan, natutulog pa yata yan. Hindi niya alam, kikuha ko siya ng photo. Kakape na ako. Tutulog pa yata si Shi. Tinatawag ko para magkape siya rito. Maya uwi na kami ng bahay. Todo this lang kami nag-camping. Lamig. Walang mga ano ng ibon. Huni ng ibon. Hoy, ilan pa? May pasahero pa. Apat pa.
Feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over. No room to rest. My heart's dancing. It's a love conquest. Oh, the melody.
She!
Smooth and
Saan
sweet.
ang destination mo? Nakakuha ka ng passenger?
It's the soundtrack to my soul. Making me move.
This is Shirley and Team Caravan. Pauwi na kami. Awa ng Diyos. Thank you for watching everyone. Until see you my next vlog.